What's the meaning of cissy? Cissy. Cissy.
Cissy. Cissy. The word sissy is a derogatory term used to describe someone who is perceived as weak, effeminate, or cowardly. It is often directed towards men who do not conform to traditional masculine norms or behaviors. The term is considered offensive and can be hurtful to people who identify as LGBTQ+. Using this type of language contributes to harmful stereotypes and perpetuates discrimination and intolerance against marginalized groups. It is important to treat all individuals with respect and dignity, regardless of their gender identity or expression.